Just days before the assembly polls in Haryana, Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh yet again walked out of the Sonaria jail in Rohtak on a 20-day parole. He is now staying at the Dera Ashram in Uttar Pradesh's Bagpat and has been asked not to enter Haryana. But the frequency and timing of paroles granted to Singh have been raising eyebrows for long. The Dera chief is serving a 20-year sentence since 2017 for the rape of 2 disciples. In the last 7 years, he has been out of prison multiple times. He is currently out on his 15th parole. Yes, 15th. In just 7 years. By the completion of his current parole period, his time spent outside of jail would total to as many as 275 days. Moreover, Ram Rahim's paroles have often coincided with significant electoral events, including Assembly, Lok Sabha as well as Panchayat elections. These are mostly in states like Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Here are a few examples. As recently as August this year, he was granted a 21-day furlough in the run-up to Haryana Assembly polls. The parole ended as recent as September 2. Before the Lok Sabha polls, a 50-day parole was issued to him on January 19th. Ram Rahim walked out of the jail in November 2023, just ahead of the assembly polls in Rajasthan. In July 2023, he was given a 30-day parole around the time of Haryana Panchayat elections. The Dera chief had also secured release in October 2022 ahead of the assembly by-polls in Adampur, Punjab. He got 30 days of parole in June 2022 before the Haryana municipal elections. He was granted 3 weeks furlough from February 7, 2022, barely 2 weeks before the Punjab assembly polls. So this will be the second parole for Ram Rahim ahead of the October 5 Haryana elections. The Dera chief commands a substantial support base across 26 assembly constituencies in Haryana, spanning 6 districts. These are Fatehabad, Kaithal, Kurukshetra, Sirsa, Karnal and Hisar. Reportedly, Dera Sacha Sauda, the socio-spiritual organization headquartered in Sirsa, boasts a massive following of 1.25 crore devotees. Among its 38 branches, more than half, 21 to be precise, are situated in Haryana alone. The jail department had forwarded the Dera chief's parole plea to the office of the Haryana Chief Electoral Officer in view of the model code of conduct in place for the assembly polls. The Haryana Congress too wrote to Election Commission of India against Ram Rahim's temporary parole, saying the sect chief could influence voters in the election. The letter said that Ram Rahim has got a massive following as religious preacher and requested that he may not be granted parole during operation of model code of conduct.
देखिए, हमारे लीगल सेल ने जो लेटर लिखी थी उसमें ये कहा गया कि कहीं ना कहीं जिस तरह से राम रहीम को जो पैरोल देने की बात है उसमें उसकी डेट एंड टाइम का जो है वो मामला है, क्योंकि इलेक्शन से साथ साथ जो उसको पैरोल देने की बात करी गई है वो कहीं ना कहीं वोटर को इन्फ्लुएंस करने की जो बात है इसके बारे में कहा गया है। तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने उसके ऊपर संज्ञान भी शायद लिया है।
8 बार पैरोल पर छोड़ा है। ये नियम और कानून से बहुत विपरीत है। एक बलात्कारी, एक मर्डरर कितने बार आ सकता है पैरोल पे, वो भी चुनाव में, पंजाब का चुनाव हो या और किसी कहा चुनाव हो। राम रहीम को छोड़ना है, लगता है ये संविधान में, नए संविधान में उसने लिख के लिया है कि चुनाव में राम रहीम को छोड़ना ही है। और यहाँ आकर महिला अत्याचार के ऊपर बात करेंगे, हाँ, कानून बनाएंगे, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करेंगे, किसी भी भ्रष्टाचारी को, गुनहगार को मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं, ये बात करेंगे। ये बोगस बात है, बकवास बात है सर। आपकी सरकार और आपकी पार्टी ये लोगों के ऊपर ही बनी है, खड़ी है।
However, Haryana authorities accepted his parole request. According to the parole conditions, the sect chief will not take part in any election-related activity or deliver public speeches and will stay out of Haryana during the period. While the Election Commission has set stringent terms for Ram Rahim's parole, it is hard to overlook Ram Rahim's deep political connections. The Dera chief is known for having political connections that span across various party lines. His son's father-in-law is Harminder Jassi, a 3-time Congress MLA who switched to the BJP this May during the Lok Sabha polls. Some BJP leaders have also quoted controversy for attending his online satsangs in the past. The Dera chief has also endorsed BJP in the past. Going by his massive following, it seems that political parties cannot afford to alienate the Dera followers. It remains to be seen how his latest parole impacts the current elections in Haryana.